to all present over here. Today, I Identi for a great day, along with my classmates, is going to present today's morning assembly on the theme relevance. Relevance is the concept of one topic being connected to another topic in a way that makes it useful to consider the second topic when considering the first. The concept of relevance is studied in many different fields, including cognitive science, logic, and library and information science. As we move forward, let us carry this serene state of mind and grateful heart with us. May the spirit of prayer guide us in our paths, drive our actions, and be the light that never dims. Get ready for the morning prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes.
तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू आशीष सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू आशीष तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू आशीष सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश तेरी मर्जी से है मालिक हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म और जान पाए हैं तू सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाले तू चाहे हर आफत डाले तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश तू चाहे तो हमें रखे तू चाहे तो हमें मारे तेरे आगे झुका के सर खड़े हैं आज हम सारे तू सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाले तू चाहे हर आफत डाले तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश
An inspiring thought can be the catalyst that drives us to approach the day with enthusiasm and purpose. To ignite the flame of inspiration, this To ignite the flame of inspiration this morning, I'd like to call Purva to share the thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is never question the relevance of truth, but always answer the truth of relevance. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, to enhance our vocabulary, I would like to call Drishti for adding a new word in our dictionary. Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is applicable, meaning something relevant or appropriate. Sentence: the law is applicable to everyone. Thank you and have a nice day. Now, to update us with the current happening around the world, I would like to call Soumya.
Good morning, everyone. International news: Sri Lanka to end visa extension granted to war-hit Russia and Ukraine tourists. National news: PM Modi to inaugurate 2000 rail infra project worth 41,000 crore. Sports news: India versus England behind group duel. Military style salute his military style preparation to excel in front and behind the stumps. Thank you.
A pledge means an oath to fulfill our duties and responsibilities towards our nation. So, get ready for the pledge.
Everyone take pledge position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians
And all Indians
are my
are my
brothers and sisters.
brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of it.
Proud of it.
Rich
Rich
and varied heritage.
and very heritage.
I shall always
strive
strive to be
to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
all elders
and all elders
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion
their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity alone.
and prosperity alone.
Life happiness.
Life happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Is there any birthday celebration today?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We say, what gift for you you are. What gift for us. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wish you a happy birthday. Amen.
Now, I would like to invite our respected principal